In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set tab stops in Google Docs. This is a super handy tool to know, especially if you're working on documents where you need precise alignment for lists, numbers, or columns of information. It sounds tricky, but I promise by the end of this tutorial, you'll be a pro at setting tab stops. To begin with, you'll want to ensure the ruler is visible at the top of your Google Doc. The ruler is a great visual tool that makes the process a whole lot easier. If you don't see it right now, don't worry, you can easily enable it. Simply right-click somewhere near the top of your document and select Show Ruler. Once you do this, the ruler should appear just where you need it, at the top of your document, laid out horizontally to help guide your tab placements. Now let's take a moment to understand the insertion point. This is essentially your cursor's location in the document. Keep in mind that when you set tab stops, they are related to the paragraph where your insertion point is placed. If you move to a different paragraph later on, those tab stops you defined in the first paragraph won't carry over automatically. So if you need consistent tab stops throughout your document, you'll want to copy them over as you go. So let's dive into setting those tab stops. Begin by right-clicking your mouse to bring up the tab options. Here, you will find choices for different types of tab stops: left, center, and right. These options might sound straightforward, but let's break down what each one does for clarity. A left tab stop is indicated by a small arrow on the ruler. When this is set, any text you type after pressing the Tab key will align neatly to the left of the arrow. This type of tab stop is great for starting paragraphs or creating uniform left-aligned lists. Next, we have the center tab stop. When you set this up, the text will appear centered around the tab stop. This is perfect for occasions when you need text to be centrally aligned, perhaps for headings or balanced information. Finally, there's the right tab stop. As the name suggests, when this is in place, your text aligns to the right. This can be particularly useful for numbers or dates when you want the text to line up on that side. Adjusting the location of any tab stop is quite intuitive. You can click on the tab marker on the ruler and drag it to your desired location. It's really just a click and drag action until you've got it just where you want it. Once your tab stops are set up, using them is straightforward. Place your insertion point where you want to start typing, hit the Tab key, and watch the text move to the next tab stop you've created. It will align based on the type of tab stop, whether it's left, center, or right, making your document neat and professional looking effortlessly. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can manage your document format like a pro. Take a few moments to practice, and you'll find setting tab stops in Google Docs both simple and incredibly effective for all your formatting needs.